Stunningly beautiful day. Easy to be sitting outside and creating. So every year I like to get started early for Christmas. I just love Christmas and all of the bling that goes with it. But since moving here to France in 2020, just before COVID, and we were unable to actually leave home to buy decorations, we created our own decorations from our own gardens and what we could find. So this very thankfully has become a regular tradition now. So I've decided to create a workshop around making your own beautiful garden inspired wreaths to hang on your front door, just to be part of the festive season and get your creativity on and enjoy a beautiful afternoon here at the Parc Arts. Ideally, if it was a day like today, which is absolutely perfect, we could be outside enjoying the beautiful garden. However, if this is not the case, I will still continue with the workshop and we will have it inside. So that will be fun. So we can enjoy an afternoon together, get creative, create something beautiful with your own touch, your own special touch. If you want to bring something personal along, feel free to do so. Just touches like this little, it's a beautiful glass bauble really, but it opens up. So each year I buy them and I put little Christmas memories inside and they actually go on the tree. But it's actually such a beautiful piece that you could include it in your wreath. If you are interested in attending this workshop, please send me a message to register your interest. Numbers will be limited and I will send out full information once you have registered your interest in attending. Just thought I'd share this also, talking about wanting to include, your own personal touches, excuse Teresa, on your wreath, on your Christmas wreath, which ideally is hung on your front door. It's just a welcome to visitors and something really nice for Christmas to do. Even our fur babies have their own personalised Christmas decorations, thanks to the brilliance of Emma's art. She created one for Nugget. So these are on our Christmas tree to celebrate these little munchkins. I particularly love the art of Sylvie, who is a local artist here in Sulpice, and we do buy particular baubles for each person that can't be at our table, and those who have passed are represented by beautiful butterflies, so that just makes us feel like they're with us. And this year when I travel, I like to collect something special to put on the Christmas tree from wherever I have been. Sometimes it's a shell, such as the work of this beautiful artist. Obviously she's very talented and is just here, is a local really in this area of Saint-Benoît-de-Sault. So even the pine cones are from places that I've been and have collected them. So just if you want to have a personal touch to your own Christmas wreath, feel free to bring along your touch and you can include it. So basically you will be supplied with everything you need to create a Christmas wreath, and then we just work with natural foliage here from the Parc Arts and create a beautiful wreath, and then you can attach your special items if you would like to do so. So look forward to doing this. For those of you that have registered, I will email and we can have fun.